Hi everyone, welcome to my video. In this channel, we talk about skateboarding topics, skate parks, rollerbladings, and my personal vlog. And the most welcome content is the Copier repair tutorial and also the large format printer. Most of the time, I receive a lot of the comments about the printhead. You can see this kind of error, this error, and that error. Is that necessary to change the printhead when we see this error? I will split it into three categories. The first one, you can use the printer itself to clean the printhead, which is the content I will show you later. And the second one is the purge unit cleaning. If you have this problem, just repair the purge unit. This depends on your luck. You can refer to the link above for the purge unit cleaning tutorial. And the third one is the most high cost one, replace the printhead. Hope this tutorial can help you without changing the printhead.
Line putus-putus ini first, lepas tu second yang kita jadi macam ni. So this is the model imagePROGRAF 5200. What I'm going to try for first is do the head cleaning, maintenance, printhead cleaning, and do the deep cleaning, all colors. Yes, hopefully it's work. Can you hear the sound? Duduk, duduk. The process took about 5 minutes. The red light blinking here, no worries. It's related to the firmware, not the hardware. Just ignore it. And what I'm going to do now is try maintenance again and print nozzle check. You see the line whether got broken or not. Okay, it wrote down the serial number and the models and the date here. So what I'm going to do is check all the nozzle patterns here, see got any broken line or not. If there's the broken line, meaning that the printhead is not in good condition. Yellow is good, magenta is good, green is okay, MBK okay, and this one also okay.